Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Nessa Paras, 35 years old. I'm separated. I one child. I'm undergraduate of Hotel and Restaurant Management.
Good day to you, Miss Neza. How are you today?
I'm fine, Sir, Madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Hardworking, trustworthy, and honest.
So what made you decide to work in Singapore?
To support my family and to earn money.
So since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
Keep myself busy on my work.
So can you tell us the proper way in taking care of children?
Feed on time, taking a bath every day, and love one as all my children.
So what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
I am say sorry and I will not do that again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Choose me and I will promise I will finish my contract and I will do my best.
Thank you, Miss Neza, and good luck.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.